beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, Sarah's House of Flavor. I hope you all are having a great day, or if it's night you're watching me, I hope you all are having a great night. And as usual, welcome in my kitchen every time. Today guys, I'm gonna do for you a very simple, easy, and one of Jamaican traditional dish. On the menu today guys, I am going to do some nice callaloo rice. You have to stick around. Watch this video to the end so you can see exactly how I am going to prepare this meal. Alright? Because I'm sure you're going to try out this one. So guys, let's go over and start our cooking. Okay guys, so this is our callaloo. This is how the plants look. And for person who don't know it, this is it. All right. Also guys, when you are preparing your callaloo before the cutting process start, you would ensure that you search the callaloo properly. And what you can do also, after you finish cutting the callaloo in small pieces, you can use some salt water to wash your callaloo. And this is a very nutritious plant. It is very high in iron, so for person who are low in iron, this is something that you should consume a lot. Right, so now I have my callaloo over here. I go ahead of time guys and wash and cut it up, so now I'll be adding it to the pot. All right, but before I do that, here I have some scallion, thyme, and a scotch bonnet pepper. That is what I'm going to put in the pot to season up my pot before we add the callaloo. I add some coconut milk and a little salt. So now I am going to start adding the scallion. Let me add my scallion there. My little piece of thyme, and for sure my scotch bonnet, and this will give the rice that nice flavor. All right, so there you go. So I'm just going to turn the flame up a little bit more, right, so my coconut can boil out a little before adding the callaloo to it. But so far man, it's looking good and it smells good. All right, now my lovely people, you can see that my pot is boiling up with the coconut milk and the other seasoning. The smell, the flavor from that pepper. What I'm going to do now guys, I am going to go ahead and add our callaloo. Yeah man, so add the callaloo there. Okay, give it a stir. And then I'm going to add my rice in a minute time. But that's how our callaloo looks so far. All right, so now I'm adding the rice to the pot guys. I'm going to add a little margarine to my rice. Give it a nice stir here, ensure that everything is combined. All right, so now I'm going to leave this to cook until the water dry out. All right, so I come back and show you how our callaloo rice look. But it's looking good and smelling good. Yes, my beautiful people, this is the end result of our callaloo rice. Look at it guys. Let me give you a closer shot. I can wait to have some of this. You see how nice and shelly my rice turned out? Yeah man. Guys, if you could just smell the flavor that is coming from my kitchen. Wow. I'm telling you guys, this looks so yummy and tasty. And I'm sure you would love to see more of my cooking. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, you're missing out. Please click on Sarah's House of Flavor. Click on that bell also, so when I upload all my new videos, you will be notified. And guys, thank you so much for being in the kitchen with me. And as usual, walk good, stay safe, and God bless you all. And I see you soon in Sarah's House of Flavor. But before I go, let me give you a closer shot. Let me give you a closer shot. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Wow. Blessing, guys. Have a great day.